The next we continue for the exercise number 4.3. The 4.3 is find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist method of a completing square method. And previously we going to factor using the factorization method. The given problem is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Suppose this previous method we going to using the constant for 2 is multiple of 3, we get the answer for 6. The 6 is there multiple, the addition is minus 7. So this type of problem is not considered to the, we get the answer for minus 7. Now only using for the complete square method. The complete square method is first you write the formula. What is the formula is a minus b the whole power 2 equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And next is we are going to come to the first two terms. The first term is x square, the second term is x, and these two terms we are going to consider that a square and minus 2ab. So therefore the a square minus 2ab for LHS side. The RHS side is a minus b the whole power to the b square, you come to the minus b square, you come to this equation for the complete square method using the formula for a minus b the whole power 2. And next is the given problem is the equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. The 2 is divided the whole equation, so therefore 2 by 2 is 1, the 7 by 2 and 3 by 2. And this is first we are going to consider. Next we have to apply for the first two term. The first two term is x square minus 7 by 2 into x. This x square we are going to consider that a square equal to x square. So therefore the power get cancelled, we get the answer for a equal to x. And similarly the second term is we are going to consider the formula for 2ab. So therefore the 2ab equal to 7 by 2 into x. This minus sign, this minus sign. So now only we are going to consider the 2ab is equal to 7 by 2 into x. And next what's the value we have find out for a. Therefore a equal to x we are going to substitute. Then after LHS side, RHS side, the x will be cancelled, the same value. And next we come to the b. You have to find the value of b. So therefore b is this constant, you come to the denominator, therefore 7 by 2 into 2. And finally you get the answer for 7 by 4. And the constant term you get the answer for b equal to what? 7 by 4 and a equal to x. And a value and b value you first find first two numbers. Then after we are going to substitute a square minus 2ab equal to a minus b the whole power to minus b square. The LHS side we are going to substitute the RHS side, and this is for a minus b power 2 minus b square. So there you find a value is x, b value is 7 by 4 and b value is 7 by 4. We are going to substitute. Then after we are going to explain, then x minus 7 by 4 the whole power 2. This constant we have to taking a square is 49 by 16 and 3 by 2 come, and next we put the LCM, or you multiple for 8 and you multiple for 8. So you come to 3 8s are 24 and 24. This is a 24 and 2 8s are 16, and then after minus 49 by 16, and this term you are going to consider, we get the answer for 25 by 16. We get the minus sign for the biggest value. And the next will be this 25 and 16 we are going to consider the square method. The reason is the asking for the completing square method. So now only we get change for 5 by 4 whole to the power of 2. And next you move on to this complete square method is the LHS side and RHS side will be cancelled for the square 2 and you get the answer for x minus 7 by 4 equal to plus or minus 5 by. Reason is that it is square. So now only we are going to consider the plus sign minus sign for 5 by 4. And this equation we are going to consider for case 1 and case 2. The one case we are going to consider x equal to 5 by 4. X equal to 5 by 4 is one case, and the second case we are going to consider x equal to minus 5 by 4. And next will be the 7 by 4, you go to the right hand side, plus 7 by 4 we get answer for 12 by 4. We cancel for get the answer is 3. And similarly the minus 7 by 4 case 2, you move on to the plus 7 by 4. The 7 minus 5 you get the answer for 2, and we get this 2 by 4, we get cancelled for 2 tables 1 by 2. Your answer is x equal to 1 by 2. This is a complete square method. We have to find that x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. This is for the exercise 4.3. And similarly the exercise for the 4.4, this is the last exercise for this lesson for quadratic equation. The find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. So this question asking you have to find the real roots only. So I take the example 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 is a general form for the quadratic equation. Is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The a is 2, b is minus 3 and c equal to plus 5. We write it here 3 constant for abc. Then after we going to using the formula for the nature of the roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The b value is minus 3 and a value is 2 and c value is 5. We are going to substitute. Your answer is 3 square equal to 9. 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. That is get the minus 40. The minus 40 is plus 9. We get the answer for minus 31. So minus 31 is minus value. The question asking for real roots. The question asking for the real roots. We get the answer for negative value. It's a negative value. So no. The final conclusion is the given problem is no real roots for your solution. And similarly, we are going to continue for the next problem in this based on the next class.